The emergency, please.
Hi, I'm at the abandoned building by Old Sacramento.
Which abandoned building? Do you know the address?
I don't know the address. It's the only one right here between Rail Yard and fucking Old Sacramento.
Okay. Do you know the cross street near Rail Yard?
I see.
Okay. What's going on?
Okay. I've been just taking for a long time. You're gonna be fucked up. You're not coming out.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
So he started knifing me. He tried to molest me.
He's about to go. That much of him. He's running.
Not the first number.
You better stop! Johnny, stop! I'm gonna take you to the ground! Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it! He's got a gun to his head. Johnny, stop! Johnny, stop!
Hey, people on the show. He's continuing to get the gun to his head. We can't tell him to be the gun or not.
I
can't see anything.
No. I see him.
He's walking up front. He's running. He's getting towards the water.
Copy, so long he's running down towards water. We do have information Can I get an advice?
I don't know if it's BB gun. I just looked as though it's firearms. I don't see a touch.
Copy, I'm sure if it's a BB gun, I'm sure it's a...
Under the water, we've lost visual.
Northern Contact Team's going with announcements.
Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, we need you to come up to the bike trail with your hands up at this point. Sac PD K9, Johnny Balcorda, we know that you are hiding down there. We do not want to have to hurt you. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hand, and surrender. You are completely surrounded. Attention on the ground, attention on the ground. This is the Sacramento Police Department. Johnny Balcorda, you are completely surrounded. We know that you are hiding down by the riverbed. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hands, and surrender peacefully. Sacramento Police Department K9, Johnny Balcorda, if you decide to flee, we will send a dog. That dog will find you, and that dog will bite you. We do not want to have to hurt you. Come out now, surrender peacefully, with your hands up in the air, and walk up to the bike trail. Attention on the ground, this is the Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, including fishermen, we need you to come up to the bike trail at this point with your hands up.
Only in the we got running. People are running. People are running on the island over there. Heel.
Johnny Balcorda, we see you. We will send the dog. Hands up right now.
Good. Yep.
Johnny, hands up!
Stop.
Johnny, hands up!
No. Drop the gun! Heel! dog. Give me hands. All right. Give me the other hand. Hand. He hit you right. Hey, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
All right, that's right.
Where's the gun? I got the gun. I got the gun. Hey, give up, John.
Got a chest seal?
Yeah. Yep.
Alright.
Everybody okay right here?
Let me find some blood. I got blood. He's got one in the arm. No. Get fire. 2 3.
They're on their way.
I got
Dog fight. That's no, I think it's just dog bite.
okay. Anything else?
I don't see any in his chest yet. I just got this one heavy squirter in his arm.